As you all have read the title, you must be aware that today we are doing past perfect tense. If you remember, we have done present perfect tense in which we have formed it using has or have. In the past, what is the past form of has and have? Anyone? Can anyone tell me? Lakshay?
And has.
Had is
Ma'am, had.
absolutely okay. Had is absolutely correct as Lakshay told. Find had with the past participles. What do you mean by past perfect tense? That is, this action, whatever action we are talking now, is completed before another action. For example, if I say we already had done chapter 13 before lesson 13 before chapter 12. That means before chapter 12, that was to the lion of a memory, to the memory of a lion, we had completed present perfect. Fine, it is done in the past before before second action was done. Fine, or we can say we had done chapter number 12 of literature before lesson 14. Lesson 14 is still going on. We just have started lesson 14. We just have started means in the past it was started and it is still there, it is present. But chapter 12 was completed before chapter 14. Any doubt, anyone? Please ask the doubt side by side in case you have a doubt. We use the past perfect tense to talk about an action that happened before another action in the past. This is what I gave you the example, right? I went out with my friends after I had finished my homework. That means firstly you have to complete your homework and then you went out for playing. This is what happens at everyone's home most of the times, right? So in the example, it is clear that one action was completed before another action began. We use the past perfect. Please underline this line and remember it. We use the past perfect tense to indicate the earlier action. I had finished my homework before I went out with my friends. Fine. The form of the past perfect tense I told you had plus past participle of the verb given. And like I use the term that we have already done lesson 13. So already, by then, until, before, after, these are such some phrases that we use to refer to the time. Fine, like they had eaten, they had not eaten, past, positive, affirmative, and negative, Questions, had they eaten or had they not eaten? Yes or no forms of the yes or no questions. If I have to frame using this, then I'll put had in front of the subject. Had they eaten? Any doubt till here, anyone? It's just a easy yes. All right, no doubts. Let's proceed further. What you have to do in here, you have to write the verbs in the brackets in the correct form. Kevin dash all the facts before he made the decision. Please do not unmute yourself. Who is
उसको बोलो
there?
आ जाए कर दे 9:30 तक वो।
Okay, Lakshay,
Ma'am studied.
not the past perfect. Kevin studied. There are two actions being done here. Had studied. Kevin had studied all the facts before he made his decision. Made is already past tense. So it is telling that before his decision was made, he had studied. I told you there are two actions and we make the past perfect with the first action. Fine. By that time, the chief guest gave away the prizes. The students dash restless. Shifa
Ma'am, have becomes.
had becomes is a present tense. What
Ma'am,
is the
become.
past? No. Lakshay
Ma'am became.
became. Very good. You have to make the past participle. Fine. That is okay. Past participle of become is become only. Had become. It's not became. Became is simple present. So by the time the chief guest gave away the prizes, the students had become restless. I dash of it even before you mentioned it. Um, Vashika, Dipanshu, I had thought of it even before you mentioned it. Fine. You have to, practice for participles. All right. Before he planted the beans, he dash already dashed the ground. Shweta, are you not able to unmute yourself? Why are you not unmuting? Roshan,
Ma'am prepared.
had prepared, don't forget had. Very good.
Okay, ma'am.
Had already prepared the ground. Okay. Just before Aditya ans just before Aditya entered the class, the teacher dashed him absent. Lavina,
Ma'am, had marked.
Had marked. Very good. All right. Had marked. I dashed Sheila for some time before she introduced her sister to me. Mehak.
Ma'am, had known.
Excellent. Had known. He dashed the book already before he dashed the film. Very nice. He dashed the book already before he dashed the film. Siddharth.
Ma'am, had read it.
Had read. Read it is no word.
Okay,
Navya.
ma'am.
Before he dashed the film.
He had watched the film.
He watched. This is the second
Watched.
action. Fine. Any doubt in question number 8? We have done every part. I'm not leaving out any part for you. We're discussing and doing all the parts. I just get the answer from Shifa and Lakshay. Others, do you have doubt? Write yes or no in the chat box. Just yes or no. All right. Let's proceed to the second question. What you have to do here, complete the sentences by choosing the correct verb from the bracket, and you have to form the negatives of the past participles. I didn't buy anything at the shop because I hadn't taken any money with me. Saina was excited to see the film since she dashed it before. You have to frame negatives. Shifa,
Ma'am, hadn't see.
I
Seen,
hadn't
seen, seen.
seen. Very good. Because she had not seen it before. When I called her, she dashed yet. When I called her, she dashed yet. What will be the answer for this one? Siddharth,
Not reached yet.
hadn't reached. Okay, let's see if it is correct or not. Hadn't reached yet. He missed the train since he dashed the station on time. Shweta,
Ma'am, hadn't leave.
very good. Hadn't.
And ma'am in third, hadn't left yet.
Let's see. Wait. Hadn't left ही होगा. Reached yet. Tanu wasn't ready to talk about the story in class because she dashed it. बच्चे past participles was will not come here. Had not will come with the past participles of the verbs. What is the confusion? Sorry, not leave, left. Hadn't left. My mistake. Okay, yes, Lavina.
Hadn't read.
I didn't read it. We dash that the phone was we dash that the phone was off the hook. Only Siddharth is giving the right answer and Shifa. Roshan hadn't opened.
Ma'am,
No, bache,
I
we are
give
doing
answer
sixth
the
one.
question 6.
Yes,
I give answer the
Sanvi.
question.
And next time
Ma'am,
raise your
hadn't
hand.
seen.
No,
Hadn't seen.
no.
Can I?
Please do not say can I? You will never get a chance like this. No. Hadn't noticed. Can we say hadn't noticed? We have not used the noticed yet. She received the packet, but she dashed it. Nikunj,
Haven't opened.
no, bache. Hadn't. Yes, opened is correct for this. Very good. Vimal couldn't go roller skating because he dashed his shoes. Only one option is left. Navya, last will be hadn't brought.
Hadn't bring. Brought.
Brought. Bring is again present. Any doubt to anyone till here? Bache, you have to be very careful in past participles. Otherwise, you are doing a good job. Fine. Okay. Next, C part says complete these questions in the past participle using the words given in the bracket. You have to frame the questions. Fine. For example, dash to the bed when you called her. So the answer will be had she went. Go will change into went. Had she went to the bed when you called her. Fine. Let's do the fifth one. Who will tell the answer for the fifth one? Do not change it into did. Please do not change it into did. We have to frame it using past participle. Read the questions. Roshan, we are not doing the third one. Third one, you are telling the right. Shifa, be careful. Has is present perfect. Yes, Jatin. Jatin,
Yes, ma'am.
answer बच्चे.
Had Tarun lived in Delhi before he moved to Mumbai?
Excellent. Had Tarun lived in Mumbai before he moved to in Delhi before he moved to Mumbai. In Delhi before he moved to Mumbai. Clear? Like this, you have to do question number C. I'm not doing all the parts. I want you to do, then I'll check. For next, Again, D part, you have to frame the sentences using, you have to reorder the words and then frame the sentences like one I'm doing for you. Sorry. The fire had already spread to the top floors, and then by the time fire brigade arrived. Parul couldn't find her science textbooks it had because her friend had borrowed it. Fine, you have to reorder the words. Father had cleaned the dishes before mother came home. Like this, you have to do. Siddharth, I have seen. Please wait. You cannot keep on writing doubt, and I will ask you. I will complete my explanation first and then I'll come to the doubts. Yes, Siddharth, ask your doubt now.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes.
Mama, the fifth question of C part you have asked, I have written that is correct.
But you just do it and I'll check it when you'll send me.
Okay.
I'm not seen. Will I tell all the answers? No. Any doubt in A, B, C, D class? We are done. Understood the D part? You have to rearrange. I have already given the answer for second, third, and fourth. E part, you have to use your own phrases in past participle to complete the sentences. Like Sheila couldn't see clearly because she had misplaced her glasses, so she won the game. She had prepared well, so she won the game. I had slept for 10 hours, but I still felt tired. Like this, you have to frame the sentences. Yes, Navya?
Excuse me, ma'am, I have doubt in D part. Ma'am, nothing will be changed in this like go का went होगा तो इसमें कुछ भी change नहीं होगा. Nothing will change in this.
This is already changed. What else you want to change in this?
Okay, ma'am.
You have to change the verb into the past participle. Had she went, had Tarun lived, live has become lived. Lavina, which question one? A part. We have done this. First two blanks had studied, had become. Lavina, which question are you asking, bache? Okay. F part. Complete the passage using the verbs in the brackets in the past perfect tense. He opened the door and left himself in an hour past midnight. It had been a lovely party. A number of his school friends dash attended. Change it into past perfect. Vashika, very good, had attended it. They dash so busy in their old days that very good, Shifa. They had been so busy talking about their old days that he dash quite dash what time it was. Had forgotten. Very good, Shweta. Forgotten. As he entered the sitting room, he heard a noise. It dashed from the bedroom. It dashed from the bedroom. Very good, Mehek. It will be had come from the bedroom. He thought that there was a burglar in the house. His heart dashed to beat fast. Had begun. The noise from the bedroom continued. It sounded like someone was cutting something with a sharp-edged knife. He knew he could not ring the police since the phone was out of order. Earlier in the day, he dashed to ring his mother. Had tried. Why are you forming words with ing, Shweta? Yes, Lakshay had tried. So I have done question A, B, and F, question D and E, C, D, E, and our homework. Fine, very simple. By today's evening, you have to submit the work. Fine, everyone. Any doubt? Have you done this right now? You still have 6 minutes. You can do the answers right now if you want. I'm showing the compliance. Just wait. 60-year compliance. Any doubt? Chapter 12, a lot of are pending in chapter number 12. Kindly send it. Yes, I've shown you the compliance. All right. You have your exam at 3, right? And today, which let me see at what time can I open the group. There was no change in your timetable. Today is Monday, right? Okay, we do not have any free space. Yeah, that's okay, Vashika. 2:40, okay. You have your exam at 2:40, yes. At 3, that is of class 5. Okay, okay, yes, yes. Your exam is at 2:40 only. Okay, Shweta, send me again if you have sent me. If you have sent the work, send me again. Yes, 3 at 3 it is over. Okay. Fine, I'll open the group. Do you want me to open the group just after the class if you are done with the chapter? Or after some time? After some time, that means after 3 I will open. Let me know at what time do you want, right now or after some time. So that behave yourself. Alright, I'll open the group after class also till 10:30, and then I'll open it after. Then you have to send me on my personal number. Okay? Have a nice day, everyone. Take good care of yourself and complete the work. Bye, everyone.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am. Have a good
Bye,
day.
ma'am.
And you can check the recording of all the answers or any explanation on Atlantic. The link is sent
Okay,
only on
ma'am.
Atlantic.
Okay, ma'am.
All right.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye.